Hello Athens team, my name is Zach Vadivia. I am a heavy equipment technician and here we are at Mid-Valley Landfill. Let me show you the daily life of a heavy equipment technician. Let's go. So this is one of our service trucks down here at Mid-Valley. I am currently the driver for it. And this is what I use as my daily job, yeah. All my tools and stuff are in here, so we'll just give it a quick run around and I'll show you what I need to do with the job. We have our air compressor so that when we do need to blow out our machines, our filters, I'll show you guys real quick a demonstration. Capable of having air with our air compressor. We also have our cranes, which does help us lift up our heavier objects such as like belly pins or guards that are probably over 800 pounds that we are not capable of picking up. That was just too funny. Okay, bolts and stuff so it'd be easier to take off. Right here we have a grease gun, so when we're doing our greasing to the machines, in which I can actually show you guys that on this machine right here. Here we go. This is good to go. That's how you grease a bulldozer. I've been with Athens for over a year and probably 3 months. I started in December. And so far with the team, it's been amazing here on the maintenance side. I started off as a loop technician and I moved up to the heavy mechanic technician. They brought me in, they taught me everything. I started with almost not knowing anything, basically with yellow iron, but I started as a loop tech. The team has been great on helping me move up and within the team. 20 years old. I actually have family here that works with Athens as well. The operations supervisor, Freddie Valdivia, is my father, and Athens runs in the family. My personal time, I'm still turning wrenches. At home, I like to build my own cars. I like to work on my own stuff. I like working with classic cars. I'm like a puzzle guy. I like to tear things apart and put it all back together. It's pretty fun to do. Thank you, Athens team, for coming to the Mid-Valley Landfill. Hope you learned something from the maintenance side over here. See you later.